Okay guys, so you want to change name servers in 123rec website. So first of all, log into your account. Here you can see section domains, select domain what you want to use, and here you should click on manage. Then you will see a page like this. So your hosting company where you would like to move your website, your domain name, should provide you name servers like this. They can be digital, it's like server IP, or usually they provide like this. So simply copy, paste it one by one here, and click on update. As you will see message of success, and then what you need to do is log into your hosting account to your cPanel. It doesn't matter, GoDaddy, HostGator, or any other provider. You should log into your cPanel and click on in domain section add on domain. And here what you should do is you should copy your domain name and paste it here. Yes, you should remove all everything and simply paste it like this. Then simply click on another window here and click on add domain. So it will create a folder for your domain name. It's loading a little bit long. Let's wait a little bit. So as you can see, it's a folder created. Now if you will click on File Manager, you will be redirected directly to your domain folder. Here you can upload your website files, and you can also select it from here, list of folders, and you can start building your website like this.